With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O-double-G. But I somehow, someway, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party's still jumping 'cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers, and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gotta smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hose down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this. Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking Indo, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back, with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Now that I got me some Seagram's gin, everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this types of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Sadie. She used to be the homeboy's lady, 80 degrees, when I tell that bitch, please, raise up off these NUTs, 'cause you gets none of these. At ease, as I mob with a dog pound, feel the breeze, biatch. I'm just